guys? How y'all doing? Welcome. Like, comment, subscribe. So, it definitely make me feel good if I wake up, I see a little comment down there or something like that, even one little like, but, you know, anyway, I'm doing a back glass on this excavator. So, I guess the gentleman that owns it, he's like cutting up woods or something. He's doing something in a lot, and I guess a rock knocked in or a piece of wood, and he wants to replace it. But here's like the plot twist on it. He actually wants to replace it with Lexan instead of glass because I guess it keeps shattering on him, and he's realized that the Lexan is a lot more durable. So right now, what I'm doing is I'm cutting this box open right here. I'm like on the, don't get me wrong, I'm like on the southwest side of Atlanta, right here. So that dude, he actually came up to me asking me if I had work for him or something like that. But I don't, not at the moment. But these in this particular area, these folks they just be like kind of sitting outside. It's kind of like kind of the hood, you know what I'm saying? But it's over there near Clark, Atlanta, and everything. But I digress. So right back to it. I'm cutting out this board, and it's because me personally, I know what I'm good at and what I'm not that good at. I'm not so great with measurements, and also the glass that was previously there, based off of the line of the old urethane, or the glass that's still there. It has like a curve on it, so I wanted to go ahead and shape that curve. That way, when I take it in to the glass company, they know what the curve is at the top, and they can just mimic that, and then I'll just have like the measurements. But anywho, yeah. So I got my gloves on, doing my thing, cutting the box out. Uh, I'm up on top of the excavator. So let's see. This is about to switch up. Scene about to switch, so I can show y'all the next step in the process. But yeah, I'm out there I'm out there with my cutting tool. I'm just trying to get like a nice kind of view or idea of what it looks like. You see right there, you see how it got broken and shattered, and it shattered into those tiny bits. That's that tempered glass. And I was actually asking the dude, I was like, well, why do they even put that type of glass in there? Like, why would they put a type of glass in there to where, like, if something hit, it shatters? And they put, like, laminated glass, which is like two-layer glass in the front windshields of cars. But he was just pretty much saying it's because if that excavator flips over or something happens, people need to be able to break out of it easily and not be trapped inside. And then he actually went on to tell me that I guess there was a story in which a gentleman had been using the excavator or whatnot, and he had like a pit in the ground, and he was like trying to burn all the old wood and stuff that's out there. That's me anyway. Yeah, right there in the flesh. What's up, man? All glass. Yeah, you see it. No, I'm just playing, but the guy fell inside of there and couldn't get out, and essentially burned to death. But this is a glass company right here where I took the cardboard to. So we going. I'm gonna give that to them. Boom. They're gonna make the measurements. We're going for a quarter inch Lexan. So I'm out of there. I'm just waiting for them to come back. Boom. Here I'm back over at the excavator. I got the cutout tool, this machine where I still don't remember what the name of it is. So I'm clearing out that old glass that's still there. It is tempered glass, so it's shattered into tiny bits, but it's still stuck on that urethane there. And obviously, like before, I think I had told you guys about with the F-150, you want to take out that old layer urethane anyways. Not all the way down to the metal, but down far enough to where like it's not going to stick out and poke out like a lip because you got an extra quarter inch of urethane still in there. So boom, I'm clearing it out, you know what I'm saying, and getting her ready. In this particular video, I didn't make a video of me laying down the urethane, but it's the gun. I put down the black urethane. I take that cutout right there. So that's my that's gonna be my new glass, my new back glass. I put a little bit of black tape around the outside of it just to make it kind of not show so much of the urethane on the other side, like the wet urethane. But the guy told me that the adhesive on the tape doesn't really hold up well with the Lexan. So we actually ended up taking that off, and he said he was going to spray paint it later. But that's it right there. You know, you just want to size it on in there, get it to fit, hit it with the urethane, and you out of there. All right, peace, love, blessings. Holla at me.